Dana, we are entering a beautiful weekend.
I know, I'm very excited. Lots of sunshine out there, temps getting into the 70s, even the 80s in some spots, and then we're going to be entering a pretty dry stretch. So we don't have a ton of precip to talk about really until we get almost to the end of next week. But I'll talk about that. So today, it was kind of a little bit of a split state forecast here. So a lot of us started out with plenty of sunshine early in the morning, and the sunshine remained for a lot of us in western Maine, but areas in northern and eastern Maine did pick up a little bit of cloud cover later in the afternoon, and then we also had some isolated showers that came with it. Now, we were trying to tell a little bit earlier if the rain was actually making it to the ground, because the radar shows us the rain up aloft in the atmosphere. So if you do happen to be in one of these areas where the showers are popping up and it is raining in your area, just send us an email and let us know. So overall, these showers will be ending really within the next few hours. And then, like I mentioned, we don't have a lot of precip to talk about until we get into next week. But here's what our high temperatures looked like for today. A lot of us getting into the mid 70s. We hit 75 in Portland today, 71 in Wiscasset, 74 in Bangor. Our average high temperature is still in the upper 60s, and overall we're going to be trending above average temperature-wise as we get into the weekend and the beginning of next week. And the reason for that is this area of high pressure right here. This is going to be our dominant weather feature as we go throughout the weekend and early next week. The only thing that we're going to be watching additionally is the fact that we might see a backdoor cold front coming in on Tuesday, but overall right now that looks like an impact on temperature. It'll be a little bit cooler, but right now not looking at much precip associated with it. So those showers will be ending within the next few hours, and then as we get overnight tonight, clearing out again tonight, but it won't be quite as cool as it was last night. Starting out tomorrow, plenty of sunshine out there, staying mostly sunny throughout the afternoon. A little bit of cloud cover possible in down east Maine, but still overall a really nice day. And Sunday is going to feel very similar. In fact, it might even be a little bit warmer in the afternoon, especially interior western Maine will be warmer as we get into late Sunday afternoon, early evening, possibility to get even into the mid 80s in a couple spots, but most of us will be in the mid to upper 70s and some lower 80s. And then even as we get into Monday, a lot of these days are going to feel very similar because of the strength of that area of high pressure. And this is kind of what we're looking at here, even as we get into next week. When you watch through, there's a couple of chances of some isolated showers over the next few days, but really not that much precipitation. Our next chance of widespread precip right now looks to not be until next Friday. Our marine forecast sees 2 feet, water 56 degrees. We don't have any small craft advisories or anything like that up. So here's kind of what our 7-day forecast is looking like. Really, really nice as we get into the weekend. Plenty of sunshine on Saturday, temps in the mid to upper 70s. Even warmer on Sunday, maybe a little bit more cloud cover out there, but still really nice. The only thing that we're really watching right now, I mentioned that backdoor cold front possible on Tuesday. Right now, not really looking at any precip associated with it, just temps a little bit cooler and a bit cloudier. And then Amanda, really the next chance of any widespread precipitation isn't until next Friday. So we have a very sunny, warm, and dry stretch coming up.
Not bad at all.
For the outdoor activities, very good.
Dana, thank you.